channel PMM classes. In this video I am going to discuss about liquid pressure and its applications. Electric force. An electric force is an attractive or a repulsive force between two charged object. Electric forces are attractive when two objects have opposite charges and repulsive when two objects have like charges. As for example, glass rod. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, the rod becomes positively charged. Ebonite rod. When an ebonite rod rubbed with wool, the rod becomes a negatively charged. Now, if we hang an ebonite rod and an ebonite rod comes to each other, what will happen? Now they repel to each other. Ebonite rod, like that. Glass rod. And ebonite rod, what will happen? They attract to each other. Now pressure. What is pressure and what the things it depends on? If you take an example from our school bags, we will understand it. When we carry our school bag, it is tied with narrow thin string. It becomes easier to carry the same school bag when it is tied with broad straps. It means same force acts over a smaller area, its effect is felt more. Thus, the overall effect of force depends its magnitude and the area over which it acts. Now, these two physical quantity that takes both these factors into account. This quantity and named is at pressure. When we apply force in a direction perpendicular to a given surface area, we call it as thrust. Perpendicular given area. Thrust acting on unit area of surface is called pressure. Now that means pressure equal to thrust divided by surface area over which it acts, that is contact area. Suppose this is the base and this is perpendicular 90 degree and 90 degree. Perpendicular surface area. Now pressure P. What is P? Now P equal to F by A. If pressure F force and area A, so P equal to F by A. Pressure would vary according to the area over which the force is acting. We can therefore increase or decrease pressure without any change in force by changing the surface area over which the force acts. Suppose force F is acting on area A1 and area A2. A1 not equal to A2. The pressure P1 equal to F by A1 and pressure P2 equal to F by A2, where P1 not equal to P2. Pressure is of perpendicular force acting on a unit area of the object. Pressures depends on the magnitude of force and the area over which the force acts. Pressure increases with an increase in the magnitude of the applied force. It decreases with an increase in the area on which a given force is exerted. That is, if P equal to F by A, where F equal to force, A equal to where F equal to force, A equal to area, P equal to pressure. If F increase, P will increase. If A decrease, P will increase. If A increase, P decrease. To decrease the pressure, increase the contact area as for examples. Number 1, buses and trucks usually have double wheels on the rear side. So here rear side force is more, so pressure is reduced by increasing area with two wheels. Similarly, high-rise buildings and dams have a wide base. Tanks and bulldozer are fitted with caterpillar tracks rather than wheels. Railway tracks are laid on large sized wooden or iron sleepers. Let us some example where pressure increased by reducing area. Number 1, it is easier to cut with a sharp knife than with a blunt knife. Number 2, nails, pins and spikes have pointed ends so that they can be driven into the surface with minimum effort.